Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut clip or audio in CapCut PC. So let's get started here. I have opened my CapCut on my PC and have created a project as well. I'm going to practice how we can cut this clip and also this audio as well. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the clip like this, and if you want to cut the end part of the clip, you just need to drag it to the left like this. And if you want to cut the first part of your clip, you can drag the clip to the right side like this. Okay, and we can also use the split button to cut the clip or the video. So for example, I'm going to cut this part, so we can place the splitter to the part of the clip that we want to cut like this, and we can click on the split button right here, and we can just delete this unwanted part by clicking on the delete button right here. Okay, and to cut the audio, you just need to do the same. So just tap on the audio, then you can drag the audio like this. Sorry, you can place your cursor right here, then you can drag it. Sorry, like this. Okay, and we can also use the split button. So I'm just gonna place this parameter right here. I want to make the audio align with the video, so just place this parameter right here, then we can click on split, then just tap on delete button. Okay guys, and that's how we can cut audio or clip in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.